In the name of Allah, the Merciful and Most Merciful. I would like to introduce myself. My name is Mohammed Ejaz. My full name is Mohammed Amjad. I am from Mosque. I here to Iwan and English. Today is my topic about Nurli Bazaar. Nurli Bazaar has everything. Nurli Bazaar has a shop. Nurli Bazaar has a canteen. Nurli Bazaar has a school. Nurli Bazaar has a facility mall. Nurli Bazaar, our academy has two teachers. They are very able and very intelligent. Our academy has a 20 students. They are very struggler and very hardworking. I had exam at academy and I get a position. I have our students are very struggler. They struggle, I get award. But every student want, I get award. But mashallah, our academy students are so good and so intelligent. I like my academy students. They are so hardworking. All the students are very kind. All the students love me, and they are all very serious.